Tell me, what have you learned in the bootcamp so far? And what are you going to implement?
So my best takeaway from here is the live and the culture team building. So it really works for me because you'll give us so many examples of how we can live our culture and build our culture as well. Because and the tools you're going to share with us as well. And in terms of culture team, I'm in the middle of building a culture team, so it really helps how to analyze and the profile that you'll share. What profile does a culture teammate have to have will really help me do this.
I'm so glad.
Great. And for us, I think it's just the 4 elements of happiness, the pyramid. So the sense of control, sense of progress, vision and meaning. And connectedness. So what we did is we actually broke it down and said, hey, what are the elements we are good at and what are the elements we could be better at? So our entire plan is now going to be focused on not everything about happiness, but break it down to say, hey, let's pick the 2 elements we think we could be much better at, and then look at how do we assess that and how do we live that and go stage by stage. And then maybe come back and improve things we feel we are good at already, but we're going to break it down. So that, I think, has been the biggest takeaway for us.